This right here is iZyrec, and it is the smallest voice recorder out there. This voice recorder has a couple of cool features, and it can connect to your smartphone. So in this video, we're going to be testing it out, and we're going to go over some of the special features, and it's recording right now. So this is how it sounds when you use it. Right now, I have it set to interview mode. We're going to get into the different modes in a little bit, but first, let's take a closer look at the device itself. So like I said, I'm recording right now, and to start recording, all you got to do is flip the switch on the side. You can see that it is orange. That means that it is recording. All I got to do is turn it on and it will start recording. And to stop recording, all I got to do is put it to the middle again. And then you flip the switch to the other side and that will put it in Bluetooth mode to connect it to your smartphone, either iOS or Android. There is no memory card slot, so there's no way to expand the memory, but it has 32 gigabytes, which I think is plenty for a voice recording. This voice recorder is so small and so thin. It's as thin as a pen. You can kind of see right here. So it is super portable. I mean, you can even see right here, I can put it in my pocket, just right there, like that, and it just disappears. So inside of the box, you're gonna get a USB-C cable. The USB-C cable is used for charging and for connecting to your PC so that you can transfer your audio files. You can also transfer the voice recordings with the app, but we're gonna talk about that in a minute. And you got a magnetic clip that is optional if you want to attach it. The clip is going to come in handy if you want to like clip it to your shirt, clip it to your bag, or pretty much anywhere. Now we are inside of the iZyrec app, and you can see right here, I've been testing it out for a few days. When you click on my device, you're going to see all the options to control your iZyrec. On the top, you can see how much battery life you have left. And below that, you can see scene selection. You got 3 different scenes. You can pick meeting, classroom, or interview. Now, I assume interview is great for just recording 1 person or 2 people. I guess if you click on meeting, that will record all around you, like a round table meeting. Classroom, I'm not too sure about, and I don't have access to a classroom, so I can't really test that out. And then below that, you can see AI noise canceling. I have that turned on. Voice activated recording. That's pretty self-explanatory. When you start talking, it will start recording. So let's come back to the AI noise canceling, and let's go ahead and try it out. And in my testing, I found that it sounds great when you put it like 12 inches away from your mouth. But no matter where you put the microphone, it's going to sound pretty good no matter what because it has AI noise canceling. And to enable it, all you got to do is go into the app. Obviously, you got to make sure you update it to the latest firmware, which I did. So when you pair it with your phone, you're going to see that you have access to all of your files. You can play it. You can download it to your phone. You can upload it to the cloud. You can share it, of course. So you can just put the recorder down on the table and start recording, and you can control it with your phone. And now I got AI noise canceling turned on, so now you shouldn't be able to hear the fan as much. You should be able to focus mostly on my voice and not the background noise. One thing I should have mentioned in the beginning of this video is that this product hasn't shipped yet. It's available now for pre-order on Kickstarter, so you can expect that the app may look a little different. There might even be some improvements, but overall right now it is pretty solid. So if you are interested, be sure to check out the link in the video description below.